Hola amigos, this is Somvir and welcome to CodePipe. In the previous videos we have seen how to create a brief of the project, how to create a wireframe. In this video we will see how to set up our Adobe XD for high fidelity design. So basically we will be setting up color palettes, fonts for our website. We will try to get some stock images from the internet. So first of all, let's see some cool websites that can help us getting the right colors for our website. First in our list we have colors.adobe.com. Here we have different type of color settings. We can use triad, complementary, split complementary and different things. If we want we can make a custom one. We can use the mouse also. From here we will get the hex codes that we can use in our Adobe XD. We can also use the explore function of this website. If we click on explore, it will give us different color palettes that people have used. So this is also a good option for us. Next up we have gradient, which is mainly used for gradients. If we want to include gradients into our website, which is a cool thing nowadays, so we can use this website. It has different combinations, and on this website we will see the colors which are used from here. If we want to adjust the angle or something, we can use this thing. It will adjust the color or the angle from which it is seen. We can add any colors here. If we want we can change this to any color and we will have a different gradient. Now these two sites are very good for colors, although there are many different websites available on the internet for considering color. After finalizing the color, let's go to our font section. So what fonts we will be using? So first of all we have fonts.adobe.com. Obviously this is from Adobe, so we can search for any fonts here. It also gives us some different functions or different places where the fonts can be used. So if I want UX font pack, so it will show us different types of fonts, and also we can scroll down and we can check what fonts are used and we can view family and we can download. Or if you are hardcore Adobe fan, then you can also put it in your library and you can use it. This is not new for anyone. I hope everyone knows about it. But again, we can search for fonts here. We can use the size, what size we want. And for example, if we need this one, we will go into it. We will download this. We will install this and we will have the fonts ready. So these two places or these two websites are where we can get the fonts from. But what fonts to choose? Then we will go to fontpair.co. This is a cool website which provides inspiration for font pairing, what we should use for heading or what should we use for the body. If we see on the home page, it will give us some featured combination like Shivo and Overpass, ASAP and ASAP. Then we have Work, Sans and Bitter, Carla 700 and Carla 400. So there are different combinations, and also it gives us a search function where we can use whatever font we want and see for the options. After this, let's have a look at some websites that can provide us free images that we can use on our website. So first one is pexels.com. It provides us the images as well as the videos, so we can use those images in our commercial projects. So we can search for photos and we also have videos here. Next up we have freeimages.com. As the name suggests, it will also provide us photos from all over the world taken from different photographers, subjects, etc, etc. We can also search here and we will get our photos. I believe this website is only for images. So this is a site from where we can get images if we want to use. Next up we have unsplash.com. Unsplash is also a fantastic website that provides free images and high resolution images that we can use in our commercial projects. So these three websites are basically used for images and videos that we want to use. There is another cool site I want to mention here, which is randomlist.com. So we can create any type of random list from here. Let's say I want random addresses, random word generator, random female names, animals, countries, email addresses, etc. Let's say I want random team generator. So I will click here and it will give us 4 teams with people in it. And if we are not happy with the result, we can rerun it and it will change the names. So this is a cool feature from random list. Now let's go to Adobe XD and create the high fidelity design. So this is the wireframe we have created in the last video. Ideally, we should be starting the high fidelity design in a new file. But for the sake of the video and not having to set the layout and the height and width and the components in the artboard, I'm not using a new file. I will be making a high fidelity design here only. So let's just ignore it for now. So the first thing that we will do is we will create a mood board. So mood board is nothing but a collection of all the images or inspiration that we have, so that we can look at it whenever we need some inspiration. So for that, what I will do is I will import all the images. So here I have downloaded images from Pinterest or Dribble or Behance, so that I can have my own mood board. I will select them all and I will import them. They are all here. Let me set them somewhere here. And this is quite long, so I will put them one above other. I will put them down here somewhere. Okay, once I have set them, I will select all of them, make a group, and I will shorten them so that I can have an easy look whenever I want. Now our mood board is ready. We can see we have different type of colors, different type of styles that I would like to use in my website. So this is cool. Also I have got an image that has color in it with the color code. So this is also a cool thing. Now it's time to go for our font selection and color selection. So I will copy this complete artboard, bring it here. I will delete everything in it, shorten it. I will not require the layout here, so I will turn it off for now using Ctrl Shift and inverted commas. I will rename it as setup. On this page, first of all, I will give a background color of gray, which I have used already, so that my colors are easily visible on the top. Then I will make a rectangle. Let's say I want it 100 by 100. I will keep it white for once because I will be needing white color somewhere. I will use Alt to make a new box. Now for this one, I will use the fill, and we have a cool feature here which is pick color from screen. So I will use this and I will use this color. So we have got a different color, and also I will add it to the palette. I will make a copy of it. Now I want to use this color, so I will go to fill, use the dropper tool, and I will take this yellow color. Then I would like to use this gray color. Then I can use this blackish gray. So I will go to fill, use dropper, and use this one. Also I will add to the color palette black, gray, yellow. Okay, these are the basic colors that we will be using in our website. So as we go along, we will be adding more colors to our website. Now let me select all these colors and I want to add them to our document assets. So I will go here. If I click on this plus icon, it will automatically add all the colors that are selected. Let me give a heading of colors. Now I want to select some fonts for our website. Let me show you what fonts I have chosen. So these are all the fonts. So there will be a title which will be 48 points and bold. So I'm using railway font family. Then there will be 40 which will be bold. Then there will be 32 bold. Then there will be 24 bold, 24 regular. I'm using 16 for the body. Then I'm using 8 wherever I will need captions and everything. So as we can see, these are all bold and regular, but we can also include italic bold or underline italic bold. So I will select those, make a copy, and I will fill them with white. Also I will make a copy of this and then I will fill it with this color, because there will be times when I will use this font family. Now I want to add this to our asset list. If we see here, we don't have anything in character styles, so first I will add the black ones. Using the plus symbol, I have all the black ones, then white ones, then I will use the orange one. So it will be easy for us to segregate where we want to use which one. This will be very beneficial when we will be changing stuff. Okay, let's take an example. I want this heading to be in orange, so I will click here and I will see the appropriate label and I will click here. It will be changed to the character style that we have chosen. So this is a cool feature that we can use. Now our colors are selected and fonts are selected. There is one point to note in fonts, especially when we are using the body font. There is something called as line spacing and paragraph spacing. For line spacing also, we will use the spacing of multiples of 8, so that we are evenly distributing our font on our web page. So this is 16, so I'm using the line spacing of 24, and for the paragraph spacing, let me use 32. If you observed, as soon as I changed the paragraph spacing, this body changed. So let me correct it. We can do same for these also. For the caption also we can do the same thing, where I will give the paragraph spacing of 24. Now we are done with our mood board. We have set up our colors and we have our fonts ready. So this is a good point to stop the video here, and we will continue in the next video, where we will be starting the high fidelity design of the website using these colors and these fonts. And maybe in the next video we will see what is the importance of using characters here and the colors here. So stay tuned and give us a like if you like the video. Share it with your friends. Let me know any comments or any improvements in the comment section. Follow us on the social media handles in the description. Support us on Patreon. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any videos. We will meet very soon with a new video. Until then, this is Somveer taking your leave. Adios.